Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and one of the last times we were working with pandas, I talked about that there was two ways to concatenate, and right here, this is where we hardwired it into one sheet name and then the other sheet name. Well, what happens if we're wanting to automate this process and we don't know the sheet names and we just want to go from there? So all right, we're going to merge these last two. So this is why it is so important for, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because this is what we do here. We do micro videos and we build upon them. We take little bites and we go from there. So thanks for joining us, and this is an extension of last concatenate data frames, concatenation of data frames. So it's going to be a little bit of a tease, and we'll talk more about the object that gets created next time, but I wanted to get this under our belt to kind of intrigue you. So all right, let's get our sheets equals file dot sheet names. So here we go. Let's run this, put this back in memory, and then we call sheets. So I want to show you this. So right now, data frame 1 is the first sheet of our workbook, and data frame 2 is the second sheet. Let's say we have no idea how to do this. So let's get rid of, let's bring this back in here. Let's just change this to undo that. Get this back. There we go. So all right. Let's stay true to form. Let's file.io. Now, again, Pandas is very powerful, and I'm going to show you. So let's just say it doesn't matter. Right now, we don't even have to know any of this. It's okay. Let's run this. Boom. Holy moly. Look at this. This put this together for us. So all right, I want you to draw your attention to this. So let's say you're not even you don't care about this intermediary variable. Say that 3 times fast. So all right, you can actually turn this to none, and it will pull all of them. That is already built into the pandas for this read Excel function. You don't need to know, but in case you wanted to have this floating around somewhere and pull this up, you can do that, because we may want to mess with that later. But let me just show you. You turn this argument to none, and it does the exact same thing. So now I'm going to show you that this is so now we have this object, and when we pull up, we do help pd.concat, do this. Let's pull this over, and I want to show you why this technique is so powerful. Objects. Okay. So I put this together, and I'll tell you what this is, and here's the tease. This is an ordered dictionary. We'll actually talk about that next time, but a little bit of a tease. So all right, objects for concatenation. So now, because the last time we did this, we found the 2 data frames, we gave each sheet, we went through blah 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 blah. But let's say you don't have time, you don't want to look into this, you just want to put it all together and keep moving and make this as automated as possible. So we're going to do new dataframe dot concat. Then I'm just going to pass, what do we call this? It's pass dataframe. So then new dot dataframe. Here we go. Now, since this is, I want you to see this. So now this has some hierarchy of indexing. So this is where this gets unbelievably powerful. But let's say we don't need this, we don't want this, and we just want to put this all together. We know these dates are in sequential order, and we want to have just regular index. So let's just do what we did last time. New df equals pandas concat. Then, and this is, let me make sure you guys can see this. We're going to do ignore underscore index true. So we're going to give it df ignore index, turn it on, close it out. Boom. There we go. So we are to a standard. But a little bit of a tease of what we're going to do next time. So, oops, there we go. This is why I love Pandas so much. There are so many powerful tools that needed to be filled, and the community stepped up and did it. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. You guys have been doing an absolutely amazing job keeping me motivated. Pedal foot to the floor. We're just flying through all these awesome comments because, like, I think I've been a week out just answering stuff, and I love it because you guys need it, you guys want it, and there are other people that have those same questions. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.